Okay, today we're here at the Knott's Farm for the peanut celebration, and I went to the Gourmet Churro Factory and got their, it's got a long name too, Cinnamon Sugar Churro stuffed with jelly, topped with a peanut butter drizzle and bacon bits. And this is $8.25. Let's see. Okay, here's the strawberry jelly. Okay, I got no bacon bits on this side. Okay. Yeah, just a little hard. Let me try some more down the middle. Still a little stale. I'm not one to ask them for a, can you give me a fresh one? Whatever they give me is what I'm reviewing. So. The toppings are fine and the filling is fine. It's just the churro itself is a bit stale. Just it's not just because it's crunchy. It's bordering on hard. It's hurting the roof of my mouth. Good thing this was only $8.25. Otherwise, I'd be really mad. So yeah, I think I'll just give it a C. The churros for me are hit and miss, especially since I don't ask for a fresh one. Yeah, it's the only place that has churros too. So, well, it's actually the only place where they make them fresh. They do have churros at Pemmican Pickle and I think a couple of other places, but I think those are maybe the Tio Pepe ones. I should try some of those one day. See if they're any better. The problem here is that they sometimes make them in advance and then let them sit in the little heating thing, and that's when they start getting stale. So if you're one of those that will go back and say, oh, this one is getting hard, it's stale, can you give me another one? They will give you another one. But I'm not that kind of person, so my review is whatever they give me. So anyways, please remember to like, comment, subscribe, and click on the notification bell and click on all to get notified every time I upload a new video. So I'm going to take another bite, and I'll see you in the next one.